First, I'm glad that it was delivered by a woman, so it gave huge intent. It was a sharp budget. I liked FDI is first develop India, and if you want to develop India, women have to be developed. With this thing, health has to be a focus. Both these, I think, were covered quite well for an interim budget. I have to applaud it. That they moved forward in saying that let's make sure that we educate more women, give them more loans to women, whatever the good things that they've done, you know, whether it's rural loans, whether it's gas, whether it's, you know, the Danjan Yojana, all these. I think that's important. The fact that they increased Ayushman Bharat to cover healthcare workers, Asha healthcare workers, all this is a good thing that they've done. It's a women, they said that they'll bring procedurally sharp to say that women and children will now be taken under one. I really want to see what it means. Same thing, this cervical cancer, we can talk, but who's going to do it? It's the states that have to do it. What's the price of doing it? Whether that vaccine, but I think that the intent is important to say that here's a cancer that is quite predominant for the lower income, and there's a vaccine that can eradicate it. So let's see, if we do that, I think it will make a big difference.
Ma'am, we talked about Nari Shakti also. She talked about female enrollment in higher education up by 28% in upcoming 10 years.
In STEM, yes, I see that in medical colleges, the proportion of women is very high. So, you know, it's already happening. The fact that we can have more colleges definitely will encourage more women to participate. But I think that we should go in the next budget. Probably they'll take this one step further. I would have loved to have seen something like transformational. Suppose you had said women studying for higher education, the cost for them is half. That that you can give it, or the loans are at 0% interest, or you say something like this is my favorite. If you really want to get women participation up in the workforce, give them a 5% less than of taxation than the rest in all the slabs. You see how many women will start coming forward and working. I want to see something exciting and transformational, but I believe that only this government will do such things.